All right, students, this video is going to cover questions 8, 9, and 10 since they are all related. The question is, what is the y-intercept of the following functions? And when you think about the y-intercept, you want to think to yourself is that if a point is on the y-axis on a graph, that means the x value has to be 0. So I'll make a little notation for you. It means x equals 0. Anywhere where x equals 0, it means you're on the y-axis. So let's take a look at letter 8. Sorry, number 8. So our x value is 0. Let's write our equation. 8 times 0 squared minus 3 times 0 plus 7. If you look at this class, you notice that these two terms right here, the first term, the a term, times 0 means that just whole thing changes to 0. And the same thing here, 3 times 0 is 0. So that means your y-intercept is actually at 7. In fact, it will always be the c value with standard form. So standard form, the y-intercept equals the c value. Got it. If you're forgetting about the values of a standard form, the value of a is here at 8, the value of b is here at -3, and the value of c is here at 7. All right, let's take a look at vertex form. Vertex form. Same thing applies, class. You're going to plug in your x value of 0 and solve for y. Pretty darn easy to do. This one can be a little bit misleading, so be careful. This squared value doesn't change to 0 in this case. It's actually 0 plus 7. So you've got 2 times 7 squared minus 4. Let's do the exponent first. So we've got 2 times 49 minus 4, which is equal to 98. Sorry a second. 98. And I said minus 4 here. Okay. 98 minus 4, which is equal to 94. So your y-intercept is way out there in y equals 94. And then the last one, this is now factored form, but we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and just plug 0 into this equation. For x, 0 for x, because we know the x value has to be 0 if we're on the y-axis. That's actually 3 times -2 times 1. And that's 3 times -2 is -6. And times 1 is still -6, so it equals -6. You're going to cross the y-axis where y equals -6. So that covers how to find the y-intercept of both standard form, vertex form, and factored form.